Road.
Ang
Magpantay.
banana po ay herb. Hindi po tree. Shrub. Kasi po, hindi po siya matigas. Hindi rin siya sobrang lambot. Ang herb po kasi, maliit, parang siya maliit na tree, pero yung mga siya kasi.
So, under siya na?
Shrub. Shrub.
Shrub. Like?
Yung maliit na,
Papaya.
hindi po din.
Parang papaya.
Ako po parang yung papaya shrub. Po, papaya.
Shrub ang papaya.
Ay, hindi po tree pala tree. Hindi po.
Yung ano, yung pear-shine. Sige, so, kailangan na tayo. Focus, timer,
Quiet.
start, now.
Electronegativity at its finest. Have you ever wondered why electronegativity is needed? Or do you even know what is the real meaning? Quite a nonsense and a boring question to those people who don't even care about chemistry ideas or subjects, but an essential knowledge of those curious and intuitive thinkers around. So sit back and listen as I embed to you the true essence of electronegativity. Electronegativity is the ability of atoms to attract electrons to it. Furthermore, the higher the amount of electronegativity, the greater the ability to attract. Very simple, right? But the simpler things can be, the more important they could be in our life. A man named Linus Pauling, addicted with the knowledge electronegativity can give him, studied the data and ideas presented and showed by electronegativity. He even devised a scale, which then concluded that chlorine is the most electronegative atom in the periodic table. A very passionate and inspiring experiment. Electronegativity has not been seen or observed in our daily life, yet it is still very useful. Electronegativity can either be used to determine the metallic property of atoms, or even determine the nature of the chemical bonds arising in the different atoms. Non-polar covalent, polar covalent, and ionic are the nature of bonds that electronegativity can easily identify. It's just simple. It uses the ability or the characteristic named electronegativity difference. This is just the absolute difference of the electronegativity between different atoms. A very simple mathematics, as my physics professor usually says. The resulting value is just between 0.5 and 2. Non-polar covalent is less than 0.5. Polar covalent is between 2 and 0.5. And either ionic is greater than 2. Full of names, codes, numbers, and categories that an ordinary person may find really, really boring. Naturally, electronegativity is an important idea or discovery to fully understand atoms. Complicated enough to bother the minds of different talented and intelligent scientists. Truly, never disregard the things that you don't know. You never know when you will need it. And that was electronegativity for you.